In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Charles Schwab account. We'll walk through the official safest way to sign in on a desktop browser, cover what to expect if you're logging in for the first time, and finish with essential security reminders so you can protect your information every time you access your account. To begin, open your web browser and go straight to the official Schwab website. The safest approach is to type the address directly into your browser's address bar rather than clicking ads or unfamiliar search results. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and select Login. This brings you to the secure sign-in page. Enter your login ID, sometimes called your username, and your password exactly as you created them. Both fields are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters and any special characters. If you use a reputable password manager on your own device, it can help you avoid typos and keep your credentials private. When everything looks correct, click Log In. You may be prompted to complete two-step verification. This is an extra layer of security that sends a one-time code to the contact method you have on file, like a text or an email. Retrieve that code, enter it on the screen, and continue. These codes are time-limited, so use them promptly and never share them with anyone. After successful verification, you'll land on your Schwab dashboard. From here, you can review your portfolio, check balances, and place or manage trades. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Your account data is being pulled securely. If you've never logged in before, start the same way by going to the Schwab login page. This time, choose New User. You'll be guided through a short setup to confirm your account number and personal information. Then you'll create your login ID and a strong, unique password you'll remember. When you finish the setup, return to the login page and sign in normally with your new credentials, including two-step verification if it's requested. Before we wrap up, a quick but critical security tip. Only use the official Schwab website. Avoid random links in emails or search results that don't clearly point to schwab.com. Always examine the web address to confirm it includes schwab.com and that the page is secure. When in doubt, navigate directly by typing the address yourself. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll access your Schwab account quickly and safely every time.